Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much to Modelones for sending me this amazing wood gel polish kit. So I say wood because the tops are wood and you guys will see. So here I'm just briefly showing you everything that it includes. I'll also have a code on the screen if you guys are interested in saving some coins. So here I am just briefly showing you everything that it includes. By the way, I absolutely loved it and I hope you guys like this look that I created. It is a Halloween theme nail look and I'm just so into the spooky season. I absolutely love Halloween, so you guys will be seeing a lot more of those tutorials. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload and to never miss out on any videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. So thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Starting off with this tutorial, I'm going to be applying some blooming gel and I'm going to be marbleizing two of the particular nails. I absolutely love doing this concept. This blooming gel is very inexpensive and very effective. I did purchase it through Amazon and I will have it linked down below for you guys if you're interested in purchasing. So first, I'm just going to be applying the blooming gel and then I'm going to go ahead and choose two colors and start marbleizing them with a brush. So these are what the nails look like after I've cured them under the lamp and have marbleized them. I really love the sheer sparkly effect. And then next I'm going to go in with the black, and I'm going to do a total of 2 coats. The black was a little bit more on the sheer side, so that is why I went in with 2 coats. And then the glittery one, I wanted the glitter to be more opaque, so that's why I decided to do 2 layers of that as well. But overall, I absolutely loved this gel polish kit. It was so beautiful. You get all these things. You get a lamp, you get a base coat, top coat, some nail art stickers, and you get a beautiful variety of Halloween colors. In my personal opinion, I just love the way that they looked, and they were very Halloween inspired. That's just the vibe that I got from this particular set. And I just love Modelones in general. Their quality has always been amazing, and I really appreciate the bottles being 10 ml, so you do get a really great quantity, which is amazing because you can do multiple sets. So overall, I really enjoyed it. Modelones is definitely becoming one of my favorite brands in the nail world, maybe because I tend to receive a lot of things from them, and I'm just loving trying out their stuff. I like showing you guys what's new on their website. Like I had mentioned in my previous video, they are coming up with a lot of Halloween themed type of things. They have gel polish kits, poly gel kits, dip powder kits, and they also have, I believe, acrylic kits as well. And they also have like this huge Halloween bundle kit of a variety and mix of everything for their Halloween specific theme, which is just so amazing and so incredible and at an affordable price. So you could always use my discount code as well, but they always have sales going on, which is something that I really appreciate. So next I'm just going in with the white color, and I'm going to be drawing the little ghost. It's not a little ghost, it takes up more than half of the nail, but I'm just gonna be drawing the ghost, and then I'm gonna be drawing some other more ghosts on the nail next to it, the one that I marbleized. You guys will see the whole process, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will have everything linked down below for you guys if you're interested in purchasing anything you saw in today's video. Like I mentioned, I absolutely loved this gel polish kit. I think it's beautiful. I think the colors are very versatile. They can be used for Halloween looks, but also year round, or also for Christmas in my personal opinion. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. I hope you guys liked the ghost, and if you guys recreate or create any Halloween looks, please tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see. So next year you guys are just gonna watch me struggle trying to create some bats, which I completely failed at it. So you're just gonna see me trying to do the bats and then just erasing them overall and then going for some ghosts instead. So you guys will see the entire process, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought of today's tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely really love, like I mentioned earlier, I just absolutely love just Halloween spooky nails. I've been looking at other people's designs and they're just so beautiful, and yeah, I've just really been into looking at the Halloween nails at the moment. So here I'm just doing the ghosts. This time I decided to just wipe everything off and just start off doing some ghosts. So you guys are gonna see how simple it was. If you don't have a dotting tool, you could always use a manicure stick or use the end of a brush that you have, maybe a thin brush, or you could even use a Q-tip if you're trying to draw on like eyes and stuff and you don't have a dotting tool. Or you could always get one as well on Amazon. I believe they're like $3. You get like a set of 4 or 5. They're very inexpensive, but it's just a thought. Or maybe they do have some in other stores. But yeah, I always think it's really easy to do this type of nail art just because it's very versatile with the tools that you can use, and it's very achievable for anyone, whether you're a beginner or not. I feel like you could achieve it. So yeah, here that is what I'm doing, just creating the rest of the ghost. And yeah, I really had a lot of fun doing this, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching as well. So now I'm just gonna go in with some black gel polish that the kit included, and using my dotting tool I will be creating some drips to symbolize some blood, and then I'm gonna also be repeating the same thing on the pinky finger. So that is it for the nail art portion. Then we're just gonna go in the lamp, cure it for 60 seconds, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply these nails off camera with some nail glue just for video purposes. And I do love to use the UNT as a peel off coat, and also I love using the Vetsy one. It's really good. as a peel off coat as well. And what a peel off coat is something that you apply onto the nail before you apply the actual nail on, and it just allows you to easily remove them, especially if you're practicing or you do a lot of content or you do videos or you just want to practice and you want to remove them right away. That is the purpose of it. But if you don't have base coat, you could always use cuticle oil, or you can use I've seen some people use nail glue, not nail glue, no, I'm sorry, not nail glue. I've seen some people use Elmer's glue or school glue, which is what I started off using when I did start my YouTube channel. And the only reason why I don't use nail glue now is just simply because my sister brought me this UNC peel off coat, so I just use that, and Betsy also sent me over their peel off coat, so that's literally the only reason. But it always worked really well. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll let you continue watching. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some top coat, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure the nails. And by the way, I absolutely love Modelones top coat. It's super shiny. Like, I absolutely love the formula of their particular top coat. I feel like it just leaves the nails like glass. They're super shiny, such an amazing top coat. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below in the comments your thoughts and opinions on today's nail look. And thank you guys once again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you next time.